Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best digging kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark a child's interest in history and science. These kits offer a hands-on experience, allowing kids to unearth hidden treasures and learn about archaeology in a fun, engaging way. From discovering ancient artifacts to understanding the process of excavation, these kits provide a unique opportunity for kids to become junior archaeologists. Number 5. National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets kids dig in a real gem mine and discover crystal treasures. It's a fun and educational way to explore and learn. Inside, you'll find amazing gemstones like pyrite, amethyst, and tiger's eye. This kit combines fun with learning, making it a great educational toy. This kit includes everything needed for hours of digging and learning. It comes with a dig brick filled with gemstones, a chisel, a brush, and a magnifying glass. The full color guide teaches how gemstones are formed and mined. It also helps young scientists identify each specimen they discover. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. This is a great gift for kids. What we like. This kit offers the thrill of discovering real gemstones. It includes everything needed for hours of digging and learning. If you are looking for a kit that combines fun with education, this is the perfect choice for your young explorer. It's a great way to spark their interest in geology. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to dig up 15 real gemstones and crystals, offering hours of engaging, hands-on activity. The excitement of discovering each gem feels like a mini treasure hunt, and the included learning guide provides detailed information about each stone, making the experience both fun and educational. He got right into it and it kept him busy for a good hour or so. Every rock gem he found was welcomed by a burst of excitement. Number 4. National Geographic Mega Fossil Dig Kit. Discover the thrill of excavation with this amazing kit. It contains genuine fossils that are millions of years old. This is a great way to inspire a lifelong love of learning. Inside, you'll find a variety of fossils, including shark teeth and ammonites. This kit offers hours of educational fun. It's a perfect STEM gift for kids. Use the included tools to excavate the fossils. The kit comes with a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. It's a hands-on learning experience. The detailed guide explains how fossils are formed. It helps young scientists identify each specimen. This makes science and learning fun. This kit includes everything needed for hours of digging and learning. It has a dig brick with 15 fossils, a chisel, a brush, and a magnifying glass. It's a complete package for young explorers. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not satisfied, let us know. We'll make it right. What we like. This kit lets you dig up genuine prehistoric fossils. It provides a hands-on experience in paleontology. If you like the idea of unearthing ancient treasures and learning about the past, this kit is ideal. It's a fantastic STEM gift for any child interested in dinosaurs and history. What people say. She had a blast unearthing all the hidden fossils, and the kit kept her engaged for hours. The included tools are easy to use, and the instructions were simple to follow, making it fun and educational at the same time. It comes as a solid block with tools to chip away and reveal the fossils within. Number 3. National Geographic Fossil and Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets them experience the thrill of discovery. It's a fun and educational activity that they'll love. Inside, they'll find genuine gemstones and fossils. These specimens are millions of years old, making this a truly unforgettable experience for them. This National Geographic kit includes all the tools needed to dig like a pro. It comes with a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. Hands-on learning has never been so fun. This kit makes learning fun for your child. The included guide provides information on each specimen they discover. It's a great STEM gift for any child. We are proud to make high-quality educational toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. We are dedicated to providing exceptional service. What we like. This kit offers an extra-large dig brick with both fossils and gems. It provides hours of fun and is dedicated to education. If you are looking for a kit that combines the excitement of discovery with educational value, this is the one. It's a great way to keep kids engaged and learning. What people say. She was in awe of all the gems. My children truly enjoyed the whole process, from digging and the excitement of finding the different pieces, and especially the water cleanup to see exactly what they got. He spent hours on this thing instead of playing with his Nintendo Switch. That's a win. Loads of fun for any rock, gem or fossil enthusiast. Number 2. National Geographic Dinosaur Dig Kit. Get ready to excavate. This kit lets you dig out dinosaur figures from individual eggs. It's a fun way to discover different dinosaur species. This dig kit is perfect for sharing. It comes with enough eggs and tools for friends and classmates. It's a great activity for parties or classrooms. This kit encourages a love for paleontology. It provides a hands-on experience in excavating and identifying specimens. It's a great STEM toy. Inside, you'll find a detailed learning guide. It has fascinating facts about the dinosaurs you'll discover. The guide enhances the learning experience. This product is from Blue Marble, a Toy of the Year award winner. They create products that foster education and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit lets you excavate dinosaur figures from individual eggs. It is made to share with friends and classmates. If you have a group of kids or are planning a party, this is the perfect activity. It encourages collaboration and a deeper love of paleontology. What people say. She loved the activity. He enjoyed using the poster to identify the dinosaurs. They are obsessed with dinosaurs, and the size of these eggs were perfect to keep them busy. There are a variety of dinosaurs to be found. Number 1. Dinosaur Fossil Digging Kit for Kids. This amazing kit lets kids experience the thrill of a paleontologist. They can dig up real dinosaur fossils and assemble a 3D T-Rex skeleton. It's a fun and educational adventure. The kit includes 3 different digging experiences. One lets them find dinosaur head fossils, another reveals dinosaur bones, and the last one uncovers unique dinosaur eggs. It offers diverse and exciting discoveries. This isn't just a toy, it's a STEM project. It sparks curiosity and a love for science. Kids will be fascinated from the moment they open the box, making it perfect for individual or group play. Made primarily of gypsum, this kit is safe and environmentally friendly. It's odorless and non-toxic, ensuring a worry-free play experience for children. Looking for a great gift? This dinosaur kit is ideal for birthdays, Easter, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's a fantastic present for boys, girls, and young learners who love dinosaurs. What we like. This kit offers 3 different digging experiences. It is both fun and educational, made with safe materials. If you are looking for a unique and engaging gift, this is a great choice. It's perfect for sparking curiosity and a love for science. What people say. My 5-year-old granddaughter loved this gift and felt a real sense of accomplishment when she successfully unearthed a baby dinosaur from an egg. It took a while to accomplish, but she enjoyed finding a foot, then a wing, and eventually the entire dinosaur. This kit is great for a budding paleontologist. This kit comes with many items to dig: small dinosaurs and eggs, another piece with dinosaur teeth, and then the main show, digging out the tracks. What makes this kit the best, aside from all the digging things you get for the price, is that the T-Rex is sturdy, its head articulates. It balances on its platform and does not require glue to keep together. You get 2 dinos and then you dig for 2 dinos in the plaster to put together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.